When we think about custom rims, the first thing that often comes to mind is their visual appeal. However, it's important to understand that these modifications can have a significant impact on a vehicle's performance as well. First, the weight of your customer's rims plays a crucial role in their car's overall performance. Lighter rims can reduce the unsprung weight of a vehicle, which is the weight of the components not supported by the suspension. This reduction in weight can lead to an improved acceleration, better handling, and even enhanced fuel efficiency. On the flip side, heavier rims might provide a smoother ride, but could potentially compromise the vehicle's agility and responsiveness. Another important factor to consider is the width of custom rims. Wider rims can accommodate larger tires, which in turn increase the contact patch between the tires and the road. This expanded contact area can result in improved traction, especially during cornering and braking. Two items you'll frequently encounter are backspacing and offset. Let's start with backspacing. This refers to the distance between the mounting surface of the wheel, where it attaches to the hub, and the inner edge of the rim. Proper backspacing is essential for ensuring the wheels clear important components like brake calipers, suspension parts, and fenders. Too little backspacing can cause the wheel to stick out too far, potentially leading to rubbing issues. Conversely, too much can result in the wheel sitting too far inward, which may affect handling. Offset, on the other hand, is the distance between the wheel's center line and its mounting surface. It's typically measured in millimeters and can be positive, negative, or zero. A positive offset means the mounting surface is closer to the outside of the wheel, while a negative offset indicates it's closer to the inside. A zero offset occurs when the mounting surface aligns perfectly with the wheel's center line. The right offset ensures proper fitment, steering geometry, and overall vehicle dynamics. When it comes to custom rims, we can't forget about upsizing and downsizing. Upsizing involves installing larger diameter wheels than those that came stock on the customer's vehicle. Larger wheels often allow for wider tires, which can improve traction and handling, especially during cornering. Additionally, the increased wheel diameter can provide better brake clearance and potentially accommodating larger brake rotors. Upsizing isn't without its drawbacks. Larger wheels typically mean less sidewall on the tires, which can result in a harsher ride. Also, the added weight of larger wheels can negatively impact acceleration and fuel efficiency. Downsizing, on the other hand, involves opting for smaller diameter wheels than the stock setup. While less common, this approach can have its advantages. Smaller wheels are generally lighter, which can improve acceleration and fuel economy. They also allow for tires with taller sidewalls, providing a more comfortable ride and better protection against road imperfections. When considering upsizing or downsizing, it is crucial to keep the vehicle's overall tire diameter close to original specifications. This helps maintain the accuracy of the speedometer and the odometer, as well as preserving the car's intended gearing. A good rule of thumb is to stay within 3% of the stock tire's overall diameter. By following these precautions, your customer will be able to enjoy their new custom rims with peace of mind, knowing they've been installed correctly and safely. Thanks for being with us.